Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Today we are going to continue with the same topic, pulses, cereals and oil seeds of chapter 2, plant. Till now we have discussed about pulses and cereals. What are pulses, what are cereals, what are various types of pulses and cereals that are available for us, that we can eat, what are the various things which we can prepare with the help of these things in which they are rich, what are the proteins and minerals are found in cereals and pulses. They are very healthy for us, they are very nutritious. We should eat cereals and pulses in our daily diet, in our lunch and dinner. So today we are going to talk about oil seeds. Alright, so let's discuss about what are oil seeds. Alright students, what are oil seeds? Do you know what are oil seeds? Oil seeds are the crops grown for the purpose of extraction of oil. What is the purpose of oil seed? It is used for the purpose of extraction. Extraction means taking out, to draw something. So it is used for taking out oils which is contained in their seed, which is there in their seed, जो कि उनके सीड में होता है. उसमें से जो ऑयल होता है वो लेने के लिए हम ऑयल सीड यूज़ करते हैं. सो oil seeds are the crops grown for the purpose of extraction. Extraction means taking out. Extraction of oil which is contained in their seeds. So these seeds contained oil. ये जो सीड्स होते हैं इसमें ऑयल होता है which is used for cooking and various other purposes. So oil seeds are the crops grown for the purpose of extraction of oil which is contained in their seeds. Now from where do we get these oil seeds? Again we get these things from plant. Yes, we get these things from plant. So what are the main types of oil seeds that we use in our diet? The main oil seeds includes mustard seed, from which we get mustard oil. Mustard means सरसों का तेल जो होता है, that we use for preparing vegetables. Mustard. Groundnut oil is also used for cooking various things. Groundnut, sunflower and various other oils are also there which are extracted from oil seed. Alright students, I have some oil seeds to show you also. See, this is groundnut, means मूंगफली. Can you see this? This is a groundnut which is used for the purpose of extraction of groundnut oil. We take groundnut oil from this seed. So it is very healthy. We must include it in our diet. Alright students. Now let's proceed. The oil plays a very important role in healthy and balanced diet. Oil seeds play a very important role in healthy and balanced diet. So we must include oil seeds in our diet. Alright, so this oil seed is very healthy for us. Now the oil which we extract from these seeds are used for the purpose of cooking and various other purposes. This oil is used for cooking and various other purpose. We use mustard oil for cooking our vegetables. We use sunflower in our cooking purpose, for our cooking purpose. So they are used for cooking and other purposes also. For example, sunflower oil, mustard oil, groundnut oil, etc. are used for cooking. We use these oil for the purpose of cooking in our kitchen, and like coconut oil, almond oil, coconut oil means नारियल का तेल, almond oil means बादाम का तेल, almond oil etc. are used to apply on hair. Alright, so what are oil seeds? Oil seeds are the crops grown for the purpose of extraction of oil which is contained in their seeds. So we take oil from these seeds. ये जो seeds हैं इसमें से हम लोग oil निकालते हैं. The main oil seeds are mustard, groundnuts, sunflower etc. These are the main oil seeds which we use in our kitchen and in our daily diet and for various other purposes. The oil plays a very important role in healthy and balanced diet. So oil plays a very important role in our healthy diet. We must include it in our diet in order to stay healthy and strong. This oil is used for cooking and various other purposes. So this oil is used for cooking. We use it for the purpose of cooking and for various other purposes. For example, sunflower is mustard oil, groundnut oil, etc. are the oils which we use in kitchen, and like coconut oil, almond oil is used for applying on our hair in order to make it healthy and strong. Alright students, now we just write down your homework. Paste an oil seed in your rough copy. You have to paste an oil seed in your rough copy. You can paste any one oil seed in your rough copy. Alright students, thank you so much. See you in the next video.